Hello everyone, you're watching News24 7.lt channel. Today I want to show you the results of test of a new Doogee Titans battery. You can find the packing video by clicking I letter in the top corner. This is how the old battery looked like, almost twice bigger than the old one. But it had capacity only 300 milliamps. But today I will speak about the new one, as the old one is thrown away, as it did not fit the phone anymore. By the way, swelled-line batteries are dangerous, as they can blow or even flame up, so if you have swelled battery, better take it to the recycle center. For the test, I have installed battery monitor widget application on my phone. This application looks for battery charging current, battery voltage and usage of the battery. For the first test I chose AnTuTu tester, but it couldn't get to the end, it crashed every time. But with such a load, battery lasted a bit more than 4.5 of an hour. And the battery still had more than 10% of charge. The next test was standby mode. I was using the phone in such a way that I had 1 or 2 calls per day, few messages, and 1 or 2 times a day I checked email using Wi-Fi. In such using mode, the battery drained in more than 7 days. Not a bad result for a smartphone. And the capacity that battery monitor widget has calculated averagely was 1500 milliamps, just like the maker declared. But in short charged capacity was calculated not very accurate, and the smallest capacity was 1360 milliamps. Battery took more power when it was charged using computer's USB port. Of course, USB 2 can supply 500 milliamps current, and original charger supplies 700 milliamps. And the smaller current you use, the more power line battery can take. So, summing up. If your phone battery has swelled, immediately give it for recycling. It's not only uncomfortable to use such battery, but it's unsafe too. Better buy a new battery, as it will cost less than a new phone. Of course, if it's not time for a new phone. You will find links to a battery in the video description. Press like or dislike, share on the social networks with your friends, and if you don't want to miss another interesting video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it already. See you next time.